see my service. That's my service. And I came from the market to buy some fruits, vegetables, some foods for Christmas. And I'm in Manila. Okay, let's see what I have here. What is this? There is chicken inside. Chicken. And this is spaghetti. And I have some fruits, banana, sweet potato, and some stuff for Christmas. These are all for Christmas. So this is my service, cooking food for the Christmas. Right now I am heating smoked ham. It's about to be finished in about 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. So this is a recipe, and it says the system for doing whatever you want. Hot dog 3 to 5 minutes, fish 6 to 8 minutes, cake 9 to 11 minutes, meat 12 to 15 minutes. So since this is meat, I set it to 12 minutes. And about something for that, I already prepared sandwich, good for two. Sandwich, good for two. And this is my room, small room, and I have small air conditioner up there, and I have my laptop and other gadgets there, and then small FM radios hidden in that orange plastic, and I have a water cooler and other things like water heater, coffee maker, and other things. So this is my cabinet for my work, and then other cabinets, and also this is the cabinets, and this is the mirror up there. So a small room, compact room. Outside is space for my plants. Maybe I can see the plants here. No, it cannot be seen, but I also plants up there. Okay, these are the plants. These are my plants, and they look very healthy. They look healthy. It adds up to more oxygen inside my room. Okay, I think it's almost done. The meat I'm cooking. Yes, almost done. It's almost about 1 to 2 minutes more. 1 to 2 minutes more, and I think it will be okay. So I need to close this door. This thing up there, so the air condition will not be useless. So that's it. I have the reef underneath, and that's my reef, and inside nothing. Only few things up there, and a lemon and something there. So it's ringing now, so it's done. So it's done now, ready to be transferred to the The sandwich I prepared, you notice behind the um, oven is the box that contains what I'm taking, the food supplement I'm taking. So I'm taking it now, bring it here, I put it here. So I take off all what is inside, and this is it. These are all what is inside of the box. The box is there, and these are the food supplements, including the taller one is Instabright. This is the new product, Instabright body cream. It's made in South Korea, as seen in TV, and these are the products I'm taking as food supplement. So right now I'm taking one of that because I have finished eating the food. Okay, this is it. I'll just put on the meat, the ham, into the ready-made sandwich, like that, like this, like that, like that, and like that. One more. Okay, that's it. And then put it here, then put it on top. This is now sandwich. Then the cream, I don't need the cream, it's enough for me. And again, this one, put this here, this here, this here, okay. Okay, I think it's okay. Okay, that's it. Put this on top like that. This is good for two, but I think I can eat this all alone. I'm alone because my family is in the province, so we'll just meet and I will show them what I'm doing here, and I will also show the world. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. For more info, please subscribe to my channel. That's my Christmas lights, Christmas tree lights, and behind it is my residence, my room, and that's in Manila. So thank you for watching, and Merry Christmas and happy, prosperous New Year to everyone, especially to my family, friends, and my co-workers out there. And today is December 25. And the time is 8:45. And I'm going to post this now about 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock in YouTube. So please subscribe so that you may be alerted of more videos on my channel, Carl Kilat Variety Channel. Deals with STCW, cooking, Christianity, business, paradise, and all. See you. Bye-bye.